Welcome to a day dedicated to inspiring young minds, organized by the Department of Management Studies in collaboration with the Department of Psychology. This socio-educational event took place at Tikala Niroula Senior Secondary School, Central Pendam, Sikkim. The mission: to empower Class 12 students to tackle tomorrow with confidence and resilience. Today's theme, Building a Resilient Future, Risk, Stress and Growth, sets the stage for transformative learning. Our volunteers enhance the experience, guiding discussions and supporting activities to make each session engaging and impactful. Through engaging sessions, we explore the art of risk-taking and entrepreneurship, preparing students to seize opportunities. We dive into stress management, helping students turn stress into a source of strength and personal growth. Healthy minds require healthy habits. Our session on food and health highlights the connection between nutrition and performance. Together, we are building a resilient future where confidence, growth, and well-being go hand in hand. This journey wouldn't have been possible without the passion and efforts of our incredible student volunteers.